Hi, I'm Brian Olmsted, founder and CEO of Visual Robotics. There are over 200,000 small to medium manufacturing businesses in the United States. Many tasks in these businesses could and should be automated with robotics. Tasks like machine tending, pick and pack, and kitting. But almost none are. Existing automation approaches are designed for high-volume manufacturing. They're designed for only one task. They're expensive and time-consuming to deploy and require the expertise of robotic integrators. At Visual Robotics, we have developed an automation solution geared for low-volume manufacturing. Our robotic work cells are easy to program and easy to use, with a straightforward user interface and a high degree of functionality, able to pick still and moving objects with no fixturing.
Our VIM 303 vision guidance camera forms the heart of the robotic work cell. This purpose-built hardware contains a 3D camera, a 2D camera, vision processing, and robot control, all integrated into a compact package.
We manufacture our VIM 303 cameras right here in beautiful Eugene, Oregon. We're selling our VIM 303 cameras to distributors and direct to end users. We also sell complete vision-guided robotic work cells to selected customers. We believe that robots as a service will become a dominant sales channel to reach low-volume manufacturing customers, allowing them to rent robots instead of buy them. Our technology enables rental companies to provide cost-effective solutions for their customers by minimizing the engineering required to deploy systems in the field. Partner with Visual Robotics to provide robots for the rest of us.